Hello Monty, we are here at Gardeners World Live. We are surrounded by beautiful plants, beautiful flowers, and there's lots of habitat around us, lots of different growing conditions. We've got wet areas, we've got dry areas, we've got shady areas. And I think it really is demonstrating how important it is to put the right plant in the right place.
In order to have right plant, right place, you have to know what the places are. So the first thing is know your garden. Where is it wet? Where is it dry? Where is it sunny? Where is it shady? And you know, those things are not just natural, you create them. So if you have a tree, for example, obviously it's going to provide some shade. What sort of shade? Is it a birch tree, which will be very light, dappled shade, which a lot of plants like? Is it a Lawson cypress, which the shade is so big that practically nothing will grow under it? So that's the first thing, is you can manipulate shade, and you need to, if it's there when you have your garden, you need to understand it. There are lots of different shades. There are lots of different wets. I mean, you have a pond, you have marginal plants, you have aquatic plants, you have deep water plants. And those are all places, and there are right plants for those places.
And how important is it to look around you, look at what's growing in the area and other gardens that are near?
If you want to know what to grow in your garden, walk down your street. Walk down and see what's growing. And if the same plant is popping up in lots of different gardens, it's a pretty good bet that it likes being there. You know, if you say, right, well, everyone else is growing this, I'm not going to grow it, I'm going to be different, me, you're probably going to have problems.
So, get to know your garden is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Know where it is dry, where it's wet, where it's sunny, and go for a walk. Go and see what's doing well in your area.
Yeah. You know, don't fight nature. If your garden wants to grow really good hostas, grow hostas. You know, if life gives you lemonade, lemons, make lemonade.
Okay, well, it sounds good to me. Thank you very much, Monty. Cheers.